What's it, guys? Back on this YouTube channel. Boy, look at my new Kit Kat. Kit Kat. And got that guy who playing with King Lorenzo. Dang. That's my dog, boy. What? That's used. Look at the cat. Stop. Stop. Bro, stop. Bro, he cute, huh? What you think? Bro. Look at that. We got my sisters in there. And my back porch for to make my Uncle Lee a room. Huh. Bruh. So what? He's gonna jump down. See? See? Watch. Jump down, kitty. Watch, guys. He's gonna jump down. See? Whoa! What's that? How cool was that, guys? How cool was that? Oh, that's sorry. I just. What is he thinking about? How much is he thinking about? So, guys. Boom. Look at the food. Catman with his knife. Catman, Jesus, cat. Move your hand. I'll make a video. Look, bro. Hey, one more thing. Chicken, bro. What, bro? Whoa. Bro. What? With the car. Wait, what?
You didn't do the word. Look.
Oh, yeah. Hey, guy. Hey, okay, we're with you. Bruh.
That's the part we have to hold on to let him play. Not so win.
Let's see this bro walk.
Look.
You should have saw this. Look at the cat. Look. Ooh. Guys, we're gonna find the cat. Bro. Come on. We need to reshot that. Come on. Come on. Sit him down. We need to reshot that. Wait. He's spinning. Wait. Let's do that faster, guys. Ooh. Bro.
You good, bro?
Wait, let's try that 1 minute. Spinning fast.
You good, bro?
He is running. He's my friend. Wait. Oh, you start, bro. You guys are getting. Okay, we're gonna stop playing with the kitty now, guys. Oh, come on. We were fixing some brass. Where's my ketchup? If you come here, you'll win this kitty cat. No, this is our kitty cat. Or not watch. That's what I'm buying. Please. And my grandpa's collection. Turn the light on. I can see, guys. See
Stop recording.
that, and that. We got those right. We got Dale Jr. What's not Dale Jr.? That's Dale Jr. And peace.